boxing is more on here.
Yes.
60% here and 40% physical.
Bakit? Paano mo nasabi?
40% physical. Ito, kailangan. Okay. First,
Yeah.
ano bang punches na hindi alam ng kalaban ko?
Alam din lahat.
Jab, straight, uppercut, hook. Alam na. Ano ba? Weaving, like, movement. Alam nila yun. Basic yung basic.
Yeah.
Alam nila yun.
Yeah.
Alam nila yun. Okay. Okay, since alam niyo po, footwork, marunong sila mag-footwork, they can develop. But, kaya sinabi kong 40% physical because pwede mong i-develop yung style mo, yung strategy mo.
Yung physical.
But the most important thing is the strategy, how to execute your strategy. How to execute properly your strategy. And how to perfect your balance, everything like that. Yun ang boxing.